So we got mushrooms from Haiti, and we're gonna boil them first.
Alright, how do you open the thing?
It looks like it's about just enough water to cover the mushrooms, because black rice is not really black. It takes the color from the mushrooms.
Just a little bit of oil.
So you're gonna put a little bit.
Dry because
It's gonna start popping. How much oil you put? Just to like cover the bottom? Onions and oil. I'd say that's like a dab of oil.
Until it's fried, and then you put a little bit of green peas.
So when it's fried, we're gonna put some green peas in it.
And you know what I say?
And olive.
Boil.
Yeah. I don't like lobster. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I don't like it. I don't like the texture. I like, so for every cup of rice you put 1.5 cups of water? Okay. Yeah. True that. Yeah.
You you can use white rice or brown rice.
So you put a cup of rice in already?
Yeah, wash it and put it in there.
Okay. And we added sazon.
When it's boiled, when the water is boiled, put.
So you're also gonna clean your rice and put a cup of rice in there. So that's like after everything, what's the word I'm thinking of? Absorbs. This is your finished product. Yum, yum, yum.